All right, gentlemen, so we currently have a weather storm. It's a thunderstorm. And so you can see the water is getting collected from my main drain. You can see the water going towards like that. And the water coming from my main entry is going towards under the car, but it's going towards like this. It's a good test. The water is not doing like this, but it will throw like that. I was almost finishing, so I had to put the board there and put the stuff away. Just so done. Coucou, Ruby. So you can see the water going like this. I had the little trench, and then it's maybe I'm gonna put a little bit more hurt, so it's gonna go more faster like this. It's like a retaining lake, but it's going toward like that. The concrete is doing very well, so the water is aiming like this, and sadly, well, everything is uneven. Only thing I have to do is I have to screw that towards the house, and then I will start to pile up the wood. Before that, however, I have to still weld. I have to weld the corner there. I have to pass a beam. I don't know if you can see me, but this is my latest weather report here. All right, cheers, folks. It's pouring. Holy smoke! It's amazing, the water. I had to show you that, guys. Yeah, everything is working fine. All right, cheers.